Today I'm going to be showing you how to use GitHub. So let's get started. First, open up your browser and search for GitHub. GitHub. And click on the github.com. They want that. Just type in GitHub/login. Sign into GitHub, which should be the first. I'm already signed in, but for you wouldn't be signed in. So just to show you, I'm gonna enter a private tab and go to GitHub. If you don't know, Firefox private is the same as Google Chrome incognito mode. Okay, so here we go. Click on sign in. Click on sign up to sign up. I'm already a member, so I'm going to click on sign in. Enter your Gmail address or your username that you created. And enter your password. Okay. Click on sign in. There we go. Now to create a new repository, click on here to create a new one. Now say, do you want to select to public or private? For my example, I'm just going to set my repository to private. And name it test. And you can add a description if you want. I'm just going to add a tutorial repository. And then click on create. Wait for it to create our new repository. Okay, I have some code in this virtual machine. So we need to import it by clicking on import code from here. You can click on the get/test, or if you want to import a file, to do that you can just go back, just click on test again, and click on here uploading an existing file, and then choose files from a computer. A Windows Explorer window should open up. And find wherever you have your code, but in this case it's in my desktop. You can drag and drop as well. So let me just put this window a little smaller and close out the normal Firefox window. And let's say I want to import my game.py file, in my vehicle.py file, my batch files, another batch file, and my fake blue screen of that batch file. Anything that contains code, you can import here. Maybe even my OS that I made using Notepad. Yeah, it's uploaded. Okay. So once you have all of these files uploaded, you can click on commit changes. Wait for it to process your files, and we have a bunch of files in here. You can add a readme file, readme.md. You can click on right here. All of these files were created on, and then your operating system name, which on Windows, you can just type in Windows R, type in WinVer. I'm using Windows Server 2022, so just copy, or just enter in here Microsoft Windows created on Windows Server. And if you want to specify which one, Camp 2022, type in enter. And now you can can click on commit a new file. Okay, now we even have a readme to this repository. Now, if you want to download all of them, you can click on code over here. You click on download zip. You can clone them. Find the SSH access for them, which you can run by running cmd once more and just typing it SSH, and then the thing that we copied earlier from GitHub. Copy, launch your command prompt again, and enter that. Click on enter. SSH cannot find it. That's fine. You can just leave it. It's okay. Now, basically, what is even GitHub? Well, GitHub is a graphical user interface for Git. And if you don't know what Git is a similar to GitHub, just that it doesn't have a GUI like here. Here we have a GUI like with this pre-GUI and buttons where we can create repositories. In Git, it's not like that. I'm just gonna install Git and show you that that's not graphical at all. I just open a new private tab. Then when I go to GitHub, I wanted to go to Git. Oops. Maybe just delete this. Just enter Git. In my browser, and you can click on downloads, download latest for Windows, 64-bit for Windows subs, save file, and we can open it to run it. There, where is it? Oh, there we go. Next. Install, next. Open SSH, click on next, and wait for it to install. And then I'm gonna show you how you can add repositories through that. I know this video is about GitHub, but it's very important for me to show you the back end of GitHub, which is Git. Okay, the installation is almost complete. Okay, click on no, not anything. Okay, and close this window prompt that I forgot to close. Okay, now you can hop on over to your start menu. CMD, or for me it's pin. You pin all of your, and a quick pro tip. You have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can do a Windows 6, maybe no. They're just for programs to 4. And then open my Linux software center. Yeah. Okay, now we can type in git -- version. Oops, don't want to do that. Wanted to type in git -- oops, don't need to have version. Okay, now to add repositories through Git, just type in git init. And we created a initialized empty Git repository. That's basically all about Git, but GitHub is basically just a graphical user interface for Git. And GitHub is very, very cool. Like, I might make a public one. You can add anything that has code to a repository. Basically anything that has code. But with all that said, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And with all that said, bye!